Hi all. So we are coming together for making a community event today, and here we are going to cook something. It's Indian, vegetarian, community, and we are customizing according to the taste in England. So this is going to a multi-community event together. John is going to share more from Project Abundance.
Yeah, so we're going to use all the ingredients grown on the site, as much as we can, like cucumbers, tomatoes, jalapenos, so everything nice and fresh, and getting a taste for cross-international food, cuisine, and enjoying together here at the Green Backyard.
Good. So let's introduce ourselves with our name. First name only initials, and from the country where I belong to. So I am Madhuraj, India.
I'm Dave and I'm from England.
Wow.
I'm Sunita, I'm South American.
I'm Simon, I'm from England.
I'm Zubair from Sudan.
John from England.
I'm Arshia from Iran.
Wow. Thank you so much. Now we are going to pick vegetables. Please come. So we are going to pick some local vegetables. These are own grown in the Green Backyard, Peterborough. And we are going to pick the vegetables, and then we will make poori, curry, raita from the same ingredients. We are going to pick tomatoes. Let's say together what we are going to pick. Tomatoes. Yeah, so picking fresh tomatoes.
Or tomatoes.
Yeah,
Tomatoes.
and on video, credit to Bhavna. Wow.
Yeah. So some of
We have tomatoes. We have our, you need the green bit on. No, just pull them off. No, you need the red one. No, that, I mean, yeah. So you just pull them off. Simple. You know, if you want to take the green bit, otherwise they're really going away road. Yeah. Look at that. Right, we'll try to stick with any relative stuff as much as we can. I remember asking soap and things. Yeah.
It's about basil. I said, why the basil you buy from the supermarket never seems to last very long. But she said something about the type of seed it was as well.
Yeah, it must have been something to do with the heritage, like.
You know what you can do with basil though? If you buy a pot, you can separate it out into about 10 pots and it grows really, really well.
We have picked sufficient tomatoes. Now we are taking one cucumber. We have already taken cucumber. This is the cucumber. How it grows, you can see it's a climber. I have plugged local grown origin, we can see. Now we are picking some chilies. Few chilies. Everything locally grown.
Well, the jalapenos are quite hot as well.
And here you can see green chilies.
Yeah, let me get you some. How many jalapenos do you want, Madhuraj?
4.
4 jalapenos.
Yeah. So green chilies, these are the green chilies. Project Abundance and Green Backyard together. They are working for community, driven by volunteers.
And what is this?
See, that's answered my question.
Yeah.
A red pepper is just a green pepper that's gone red.
What is this?
These are the chilies only, different varieties of chilies. There are different varieties of chilies. So we are all set. Now we are going to make curry and poori and raita. Thank you so much. So what are you doing? What are you doing?
Everybody speaks English everywhere.
Potatoes. He is just peeling potatoes. That is our first step. Yeah, we are peeling potatoes. Then we have fresh tomatoes, which are cleaning is going on. These are the major ingredients which we are going to use. Vegetable oil for making pooris, rice, which we will make rice, cumin seeds. We have fenugreek
Masala.
We have hing,
Ginger.
salt, turmeric,
Turmeric.
black salt,
Black salt.
Those who are allergic, this is having some sulfide. Black salt is having sulfide. Okay? And these are the cardamom, lemon.
Black cardamom.
This is coriander, green coriander. We are using some different types of spices
These
for
are
vegetables. Jalapeno and coriander powder. So coriander green, coriander powder both. Yogurt we are using in raita, and bundi we are using in raita. So together we are going to make 3 dishes together. Okay. So we are starting now. This is hot oil. We put jeera
Cooking now.
and hing.
Masala.
Cardamom.
And yes.
Cardamom,
Clove. Black cardamom. Yes.
ginger, grated ginger.
This is for the curry.
For
Yeah.
me, it's very difficult.
First onion.
Okay. And asafoetida.
Hing or asafoetida.
Yeah, because it's not that
What's it called again?
that aromatic.
Asafoetida or hing.
I haven't got it either.
This one.
Can you write it
Okay,
down
you put it.
for me?
Yeah, sure. This is
What is it?
asafoetida. This is
Yeah.
now this is the grated onion.
I'm happy to cook at home.
Now what is the best thing you can do? You can put little salt on this, so that what will happen?
It will cook quickly.
This will onion will leave all its water. Okay, once you put salt, it will leave all its
Because
water.
I have,
What was
I
that?
know.
This one here?
Cumin seeds.
So I'm just doing it with bare hands. Little bit.
And
That it will cook quickly.
so what will happen? It will do. Now you can.
Because these are cherry tomatoes and it's after some time it will
Just
be
give us 1 or 2
nicely
minutes.
cooked.
All the salt which you have put, that will release water inside this, and it will mix. Then we will put more like
Mix.
turmeric
Mix
and
spices.
dry onion
Many
powder
spices.
and
What was
other
in there? Onions and
onion.
just onion.
Yeah, just
Having
Yeah.
but there is not authentic Indian restaurants here. Using
Now we have put tomatoes.
spoon
Since
and
these
all.
are the cherry tomatoes, so we have
fond
put
of
whole
all this.
cherry tomatoes.
Sudan like this.
I put that one big one, shouldn't I?
You start grating.
Camera now.
Yeah. So we are grating cucumbers.
That's sous chef.
And this is the grated cucumber.
Visit all the places of India. I will cover the whole world.
So
Yeah.
our tomatoes are properly mixed. We are putting spices, and there is a very good pupil who is learning all these things.
David.
David.
Yeah.
So David is my boss also. Yeah.
He's kind of.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are making
What's in there?
raita. This is the grated cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cucumber which we picked from green backyard itself. Okay.
And now I'm putting yogurt.
Now Navanita is putting yogurt. So she has put
grated cucumber. Yeah.
grated cucumber, yogurt, and
When you spell
then
yogurt, how do you spell
black
yogurt?
salt.
Then I will put some black salt.
Now she will put black salt.
Black salts are usually
Black
as
salt.
a rock salt.
Yeah, black salt she is explaining also.
Yeah.
Black
It's
salt.
as a rock salt actually. Rock salt.
And what is that called again? Sorry.
Black salt.
Black salt.
It is also known as rock salt.
Yeah.
And then we are putting this chaat masala.
Chaat masala.
Oh yeah.
One of the easiest dish. Whenever you want to eat it, just take yogurt, put some vegetables of your choice. We can put green chili also in this to make more spicy, but now we are not putting because we are cooking for everyone. So those who want to take green chili.
That's what I should be doing, but I've got a new phone and I don't like it.
Potatoes. Now we have mixed everything. Potatoes are there, and all these things are almost ready. Meanwhile, we have prepared rice also. Here are the rice, almost ready. Plain rice, half cooked. Now we are making flour for Poori. Oil is there.
Chapati? Chapatis.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, It's just all about the education side.
And the credit goes to Mr. Nirmalyo.
Now,
And here the great volunteer Navonita. Daro Navonita.
more, little bit more. It doesn't matter. Don't be conscious. And now mix this oil.
So when we are kneading this, we put some dry flour separate so that if water is more or less, we can keep on mixing.
And it should be mixed very well.
What's this called again?
If
Flour.
Just
Just wheat flour.
Poori.
Poori.
yeah, it's the dough.
Mr. Nirmalo is using final power.
But yeah, I'm more of a person.
साथ में श्रीमती जी मुस्कुरा रही हैं.
दिख रही है
देख रही हैं.
घर में बनने के लिए भूलेगी
Here our vegetable is ready. No, means getting ready.
It'll be fine, yeah. It'll be fine. I should be able to, because it's
All right.
just when things are a bit, far afield.
We are ready with food now. Salad, rice, raita, this, hot puris.
So that's more than just a different way of speaking. That's a totally different way. How would I say thank you?